Hey friends, Paul here. Do you have an app that's running really slow, making your phone getting hot, etc.? Go under settings. Well, first of all, close all your programs. Okay, that's the first thing you need to do. Then go under settings and down to applications, and then go into the app that is creating problems. In my case right now, it's Power Director, where I edit a lot of videos for YouTube, and force stop, you can do that. And then go under storage. This is the big one right here. And clear the cache. Do you see that? 5.82 megabytes. I don't know what that's using, but if you close that and clear that cache, and then go back in and use your app, you're going to find the performance is doing great. Does this tip help you guys? Please post your comments below, and thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and share with your friends.